Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have a Christmas wreath for you today. The tools that you're going to be needing: some wire cutters, a good pair of scissors, your glue gun and glue sticks. You're also going to need a wired wreath form. I'm going to be using the 18-inch one from the Dollar Tree, but their 14-inch one will work just fine. You're going to need a large red bow. You're going to need several packages of the tinsel garland, 9 feet. This one is red and white and it has little snowmen on it. You're going to need some pipe cleaners and your choice of red ornaments. This is the 15 pieces in a pack size. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get cleaned up and we'll get started. So you want to go ahead and take your pipe cleaners and your wire cutters and go ahead and cut some in half. I'm going to be using these to attach the tinsel. Go ahead and open up a package of your tinsel. Take one of the ends. Go ahead and wrap the pipe cleaner around the end about an inch in. You want to make sure you secure that nice and tight. Give it a couple twists. I'm going to go ahead and attach it right here on the middle bar, from the front to the back. Turn it over. Give it a couple twists. So it's nice and secure. And then it's very simple. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap the tinsel around the wreath. And as you're wrapping, you want to make sure that you're not crushing all of your little snowmen. You want to make sure that they kind of fluff out. So that's just go all the way around and wrap. When you come to the end, you do the same thing. You tie a pipe cleaner on, tie it down, start another one, and keep going. I wanted to show you my progress. I have used three of the 9 feet garland. Each section takes 1 9-foot, so there are 6 sections. You will need 6 of the 9 feet garland. You attach at the bar in beginning and end. When you wrap, you don't need to wrap very tightly. In fact, you don't want to wrap too tight because you want it to be a little fluffy. So just do it loose enough that it'll hold somewhat of its shape, but that it is full. Okay? But it looks great. This wreath will be really nice for both sides because it's wrapped. So it's perfect if you have a glass door or something where it's going to show on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and finish the base and then I'll come back and we will start to decorate. The base of the wreath is all done. It looks nice and full, absolutely adorable. I'm very happy with the results. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the bow. It comes with its own tie in the back. Now on this particular wreath, I want to put my bow at the bottom. And you just simply spread apart so you find the bar and go ahead and attach it. Feed it through. twist it down. Cut off the long ones. And go ahead and just tuck in the little ends. Be careful, these guys do tend to come off if you're a little rough. Okay, so now the bow's attached. Looks really cute. Okay, so the next step is to go ahead and to add your little red balls. I decided to go with the glitter balls because the ribbon is glitter. When I place them, I usually place one near the inside, one on the outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. Work my way around. That way it makes it nice and evenly distributed. Where the ornament attaches, just go ahead and add some hot glue. Decide where you want to put it. Go ahead and nestle it in. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, there you go. We are all done. Isn't that beautiful? A nice, large, gorgeous Christmas wreath for $10. If you enjoyed this craft, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by. You have a great day, and I will see you next time.